Hello everyone, welcome to Decoding for Kids channel. In this video, let's play Space Invaders game step 6 to step 9.
Okay guys, this is step 6. Step 6, the instructions given is create another variable called lives and set it to 3 at the start of the game. Change lives by -1 every time fireball hit the spaceship to reduce the number of lives. So here again I'm going to create a new variable lives. Yeah. If you create a new variable, they have given two new blocks. Set lives to and change the lives by. So now I'm placing the set lives block here and I'm placing this score to 0, and actually I'm changing this to 3 as they have already mentioned in the instructions. Now I'm placing the change lives by block over here. When the fireballs hit the spaceship, your lives must reduced by 1. So I'm putting -1. So if you see, when you click the run button, your score will be set to 3. I mean the lives will be set to 3. And when the fireballs hit the spaceship, it will reduce by 1. See, 2 fireballs got hit. Yeah, 3 fireballs got hit. So the lives are reduced to 0. Click continue to go to the next step. Give start coding. In step 7, the instructions given is if else blocks are used when you want to run a code after a specific condition has been satisfied in the game. As the spaceship loses lives every time a fireball hits it, if the value of lives is equal to 0, then the game is over. So the condition they are going to apply is when the fireball hits the spaceship, your life must become 0. Then your game will be over. That's why they are using this condition. So they have given 3 new blocks. So this is the if block, and here I am placing this diamond shaped block. The thing is, if lives is equal to or less than or equal to 0, then your game should be over. So I am placing the game over block over here. And when the game is over, we are going to place the game over music. So if you click the run button, you have to wait for the fireballs to hit the spaceship. Yeah, the lives is 0, so the game got over. Click continue to go to the next step. Give start coding. Yeah, this is step 8. Here the instructions given is place the set background image block inside the when click block and select an image for your game. You can similarly use the set ship to block to select the spaceship you want to in the game. Yeah, this is nothing but you're going to change the design of the game. So at first I'm placing the set ship block, and you can change the image of the ship to what you want. I'm also going to place the set background image, and image I'm choosing it on my own. and you're going to add stars. Yeah, that's it. I have created my own design. If you click the run button, you can see the changes. And that's it. Step 8 is completed. Click continue to go to the next step. Give start coding. Yeah, this is the final step. Here the instructions given is the open space invader world awaits you and your own ship and lasers and build the game you want. It's up to you. Code the entire game and customize it according to your choice, then publish and share with your friends to play. Now if you see here, they have given all the blocks from step 1 to 8 in this, and you're going to create your own game. I mean the open space invader world. So now I'll play it in short. I'm placing the move spaceship right, and I'm placing this block over here and changing this to left. Here there is a block when space key is pressed. When space key is pressed, I want the spaceship to fire lasers. So I'm placing this block over here. When lasers hit alien invaders, I want to destroy the alien invaders. So I'm placing it over here. So I'm placing the sound block and changing it to hit alien. While the game is running, I want the alien invaders to throw fireballs. Then when fireballs hit the spaceship, I want the hit spaceship sound to be created. So I'm changing this. Yeah. Now when run button is clicked, I'm going to first set the ship to whatever I want, and I'm going to set the background image also, and I'm going to add stars, and I'm going to play the music, and you can change the music to whatever you want. I'm just adjusting the blocks. Now I'm going to create the variable score, and I'm going to create another variable named lives. So now I'm placing the set lives to, I'm changing it to score, and I'm setting the score to 0, and I'm setting the lives value to 3. So when fireballs hit the spaceship, your lives must change by -1, reduced by -1. So I'm changing it to -1. Yeah, now I'm going to again use the condition, if else condition. When fireballs hit the spaceship, if the lives become less than or equal to 0, the game should be over. So I'm placing the game over block here. So that's it. I think I have completed everything. So now if you click the run button, you can see the changes and the Space Invader world that I have created. Yeah, yeah. The lives have come to 0, so the game is over. Okay guys, now I have completed the game. See you all in another video. Thanks for watching.